to hear from the man himself, the Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri A.Revanth Reddy Garu. Sir, can you please come forward and inspire us?
Good afternoon, friends, world leaders in biodesign. I'm delighted this event will discuss innovation in medical products using biodesign. Biodesign has important fundamentals. First is utility. We design for purpose and function. God is a greatest designer. Nature is the best teacher. The question is, are we good students? This is the biggest question. In life sciences, nature is the best teacher. If we observe and learn from nature, we cannot go wrong. For example, artificial intelligence is a good example of biodesign. Humans is used natural brain to create an artificial brain. We, Telangana state, started a journey that is Telangana Rising 2047. By 2034, we will become a $1 trillion economy. By 2047, India is 100 years of independence. We will become $3 trillion economy by the time. Telangana is now a hub for India's life sciences, medical devices and technology. Technology are crucial for us. Hyderabad is a vibrant ecosystem for pharma, biotech, life sciences, and medical technology. We rose from manufacturing to innovation in this vertical. We established India's largest dedicated medical devices park at Sultanpur. It has best infrastructure for research, prototyping, testing and manufacturing. More than 60 companies are already operating there, including global majors and domestic leaders. This sector has seen investments in diagnostic devices, imaging technologies, implants, surgical equipment, and digital health solutions. Local startups and MSMEs are doing good work along with the global companies, making Hyderabad a unique, vibrant ecosystem. Hyderabad has a great workforce because of our initiatives to build excellent academic institutions, skills development, and industry partnerships. Now, I congratulate and thank Dr. Nageshwar Reddy and his team, AIG, for this initiative to conduct research on solving problems of common Indians. For many years, our best minds were solving problems of other countries. It is good thing. Time has now come when we must use our intelligence for helping our own people. My government will give you total support as a proactive partner. We will share historic medical data for research, but with strict Data Privacy Act. We will connect you to academic institutions, research, innovation bodies, skill university and corporations. Today, We live in an uncertain world. Tariffs, wars, and trade barriers. This is the right time to innovate from Telangana for the world. Let us make humanity for more healthy. Best wishes. Thank you. Jai Telangana.